What's good, TDF fam? It's your boy Sean.
It's your girl Tashira.
And this is
Payton.
And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell so y'all can be the first one to see our next video and come part of the TDF fam. Because the fam is getting stronger each and every day. But as y'all seen in the previous video, man, we actually sat there and we made fried seafood boil, and we made a seafood boil, man. And now it's time to eat it, because I'm hungry.
Yes.
If y'all hungry,
and guess what time we eat?
Y'all eat.
It's actually 5:23 a.m.
in the morning. I told y'all we are not day people. Like, we are night people. We like vampires.
Okay. So, you guys ready? So, the first thing we're about to try.
First thing I'm gonna try, y'all already know.
Is this.
I got to try the fry. I have to try the fry, man. I have to try the fry. Alright.
Give me a paper plate.
What? Okay, I'm finna try this one.
Crab leg.
This is a crab leg.
Try it. Get one.
This is a crab leg. Let me break it open for y'all.
No.
Oh,
That look good.
Alright. Without dip.
Without the sauce first.
Okay, bitch.
It's good.
Okay.
She lick it. It's good.
What? We cooking?
Daddy.
What?
It's good. Okay.
Man.
Give me another plate.
Man. I told y'all, if y'all were here with us, you know what I'm saying, we'll let y'all try all of them. Exactly.
Yeah.
Do y'all think we should start up a restaurant like I told y'all earlier? Yeah. I think so.
That's gonna be in our future forte.
Oh, hold up.
You gonna eat it in there, Payton? Ooh, hot. It's good. How you like it?
Man, y'all just don't know.
No. It's good, y'all. When I tell you it's good.
Oh my God. Man, this thing touched my soul, my stomach, my back. Pet, you don't eat that boy.
Give me that.
You eat that boy, Pet.
Give me that.
Yeah, that's the wrong part, Pet. Hold on, let me take it off. Take it off, Pete. There we go. You eat that, Pete.
Oh, bite.
Eat that right there. Yeah, eat that. No, don't eat that. Eat that. Yeah, that one the good one. Yeah, that one the good one. Oh, hold up. Let me dip it one more time. One more time. Okay. Y'all ready?
Ooh, it's hot.
It's hot. But it's good. It's so good. It's so good.
I can't tell y'all now. It's good.
Ooh,
hot.
Oh, hold up. You got 'em, Pet? Okay. They got juice.
Okay. That was the king crab.
Yeah.
I'm about to try. Ooh. We got a lobster tail here. A shrimp. And also the fried blue crab. Okay?
Okay. There you go, Pete. Alright. I want to try some more fried, but I'm going to eat this too. Since this is versus, so.
Ooh.
I can try you big shrimp. Okay.
But I'm trying to beat lobster tail, baby.
Okay.
You ain't tried the fried lobster tail yet.
I know. But I want to try the big shrimp first. Hold up, get all of it on there. Yeah. Yeah. Hold up.
They good.
God.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that. They good.
Okay, man. I'm finna get that crab.
Yeah, fat.
What you want?
Crab.
You want crab?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yay.
I don't know which one to get you, Pete. This one? No.
She want Jay, get a piece of the king.
You want this one?
Yay.
Yes. Okay. Or you want a piece of mine?
No.
Okay.
The big one.
You want the big one?
Big.
My Pete says she want the big one. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Let's see.
Real big.
Yeah, big one. Huh. Eat your meat out of there.
Big.
Like, I'm not over exaggerating this. Like, this is good.
It went through all of it.
This is good.
Pay to
I'm trying to try everything for y'all. Hold up, since I licked on my hand. I don't wanna.
You can go pay. They're on your meat.
Okay. Corn.
Mommy.
Dip it. Dip it. You gotta dip your corn.
There you go, baby.
Oh. Oh. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So now I'm gonna
Yeah.
try the fried shrimp.
Mm-hmm. Hold up. Hold up. Got me pay. Okay, that's all right.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's busting.
So what you think you like better, the fried or the regular seafood?
I don't know. It's like we did the regular seafood better. I don't know what's going on. It's like we took our time with it. I guess.
Yeah, first time trying it. You don't like it?
No, of course I don't like that. It's good.
Now we got blue crab.
But it's like, okay, let me try that then. Oh, see, what? Okay. Y'all see that, ain't? Ain't dripping. Okay.
And the blue crab, yeah, it's soft texture. It's a softer texture. You got sauce all everywhere.
I'm about to cry.
I kind of like the batter on the blue crab better than the other stuff.
Mm-hmm.
This ain't more salty.
Oh,
Mm-mm.
okay.
So we're going to use the blue bag next time.
Okay. Hey. Y'all saw how we cooked it. It's good.
Mm-hmm.
We try to make a short little video just to show y'all what it is. Because my kids, they went. And they hungry. So we finna end this right now. If you made this far in the video, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell so y'all can be the first one to see our next video and come part of the TDL.
Bam!
Because the family's getting stronger each and every day. And we out. Peace.